So, what seems to be the problem here?
Well, it looks like we have two options here.
Lamar and Ron, keeping it real with electrical safety.
You want to see us, Chief?
Don't call me Chief.
Let me guess. You're trying to take our badges.
You don't have badges. And why are you dressed like that anyway? Disco went out a long, long time ago. I told you to wear proper PPE. You'll look like idiots.
See that? The man's trying to cramp our style.
We won't let them keep us down?
Look, I hired you guys a week ago because you gave me what I now believe were fake resumes. And after all the damage you've caused and your complete lack of safety knowledge, I'm going to have to let you go.
What? So what are you saying?
I'm saying I think you're a threat to the safety of my workplace.
Now, we hear what you're saying, but what's your angle?
Yeah, you know men like us can't be bought.
You just put 2 workers in the hospital and caused $15,000 worth of damage. What makes you think anybody's going to want to buy you?
We're willing to take a 50% pay cut.
You're fired. And if you ever want to work in this field again, I suggest you go out there and get yourself some training in basic electrical safety. Now clean out your lockers.
You got a locker? You got a locker.
We got lockers! Ow! I wonder what's in them.
I don't know.
Oh, it's gonna be sweet.
It will.
Thanks for doing this again, guys.
Hey, no problem. Compiling a list of electrical safety tips is a great idea.
Yeah, we're glad to help.
Here's a good one. Always inspect tools, power cords, and electrical fittings for damage before you use them. Repair or replace damaged equipment immediately.
Also, remember not to use cords with exposed wires, and do not use plugs with damaged or missing prongs. You should also make sure the equipment you're using is appropriately rated for the job.
Appropriately?
That it's right for the level of amperage or wattage that you're using. Same goes for fuses. If you use the wrong size, it could be a fire hazard.
Hey, Aaron. What's up?
Hey, guys. I was just getting ready to call you. I've got this overheated outlet here, and I'm not sure what to do with it.
Oh, that's another great point. Warm or hot outlets are usually a sign the wiring's messed up.
Yeah, we'll take care of that right away.
Thanks. So you guys conducting some kind of a safety audit or something?
No, they're just giving me some electrical safety tips.
I have a tip for you. I just heard about a guy who was trimming branches out by some power lines. He got zapped big time, all because he climbed up on a metal ladder. That's crazy, right? You should always use a non-conductive ladder around electricity.
Wow.
And I've got a couple other tips for you. Don't ever put your halogen lamps next to combustible materials. It is a huge fire hazard. And you should always use ground fault circuit interrupters when you're plugging in portable equipment near a wet or damp location.
Those are great points.
Yeah, let's go cut off the power to that outlet.
You know, I bet that's another important tip. Always know the location of electrical boxes and circuit breakers.
Definitely.
Take care, guys.
It's also important all breakers and fuses are labeled properly. Each switch should be identified as to which outlet or equipment it's for.
And electrical boxes should be easy to access in case of an emergency, so don't store anything in front of them. It's also really important to note that if there is an accident and somebody gets electrocuted, don't touch them till the current is disconnected.
These are some great tips. I'm going to type these up and send them to everyone.
Glad we could help.